Hello everyone. So today I'll show you how to do another Christmas card. I'll show you in different colors as well. I'll be using watercolor pencils. And if you're new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you can also connect with me through my other social media. All that information is in the description box below for you. And so I'm just going to draw this round circle just to make it a Christmas decoration drawing with watercolor pencils. So I'm going to press the pencil in a little bit to have a darker color, darker shade on the corners or like around the circle. And as it goes inwards, I'm going to use lighter colors as I'm doing here, light pink, and lightly color in the rest of the ball. And I'm also going to draw another ball shortly, and then I'll show you how I'm going to finish this card as well. So let's get started. I hope you love it. Let me know in the comments below. And today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas, obviously. If you're enjoying your Christmas holidays, I hope you enjoy your holidays as well, and I hope you're having a great Christmas day. And if you're in a hurry to make a card to just give a gift, this is a very easy card that you can make, and it looks beautiful as well. So let's get to it. So as you can see, the beautiful thing about watercolor pencils is that you can just add water to these pencils, pencil colorings, and it becomes watercolor. It becomes a watercolor drawing. So it's very easy to do, and very looks really nice. This is watercolor paper, by the way, so it soaks in everything and has this beautiful round color after you put in the water. So I'm just going to add some water to all these watercolor pencil shadings, and I'll show you how it looks after, and I'm going to cut this piece out. So once it's done and once you cut this piece out, I'm going to cut it in a rounder shape, and then I'm going to use card making material here, and it's going to open upwards. So I'm going to have this little piece of card making material, and then I'm going to stick this piece that we just drew onto this. So you can, if you don't have card making paper, then you can just cut a piece out of this piece that you drew your balls, like your Christmas decorations in, and make your card from that. So I'm going to use this sticker as well, or you can draw a branch to hang these Christmas decorations in, so it looks like it's hanging off of a Christmas tree. So this, I'm going to stick it right there so that the strings looks like they are just attached to these branch, and then I'm going to stick this onto this card. But before I do that, I'm going to do the background of the card as well, so I'll show you shortly how that is done. So I did a cutout piece from watercolor paper, and now I'm going to use this sticker. I'm going to cut that strip out, and I'm going to cut it into pieces and use it for the top part of the card as well, so it looks like the background of a wallpaper or some wood. This sticker looks it has a print of a wood print, so it's going to look nice when I stick that behind and before I stick our drawing in now. And then I'm going to stick the stickers in, and also that brown piece at the bottom, and then I'm going to stick this drawing onto it. So after I do that, we'll write Merry Christmas, and I'll show you how I do that as well. And then that will be it. And you can write whatever inside, or you can do textured inside if you like. It's up to you. And this will make a really nice Christmas card that's handmade, which adds value to it. So I hope you really like it. So keep watching to see how to really make it. So there you go, and this is how it looks. I think it looks really nice, especially the three colors added to it. And it will make a really nice Christmas card for you. So I hope you enjoyed this drawing. I hope you like this drawing and the full card as well. So if you do, don't forget to check out my Redbubble shop to buy products with this print on. So then now I put some next videos for you, including all the Christmas cards that I've made throughout the years and other Christmas decorations that I've done. The whole playlist is right here for you. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you can always comment below and let me know what you want to see next, if you want me to draw something or to make something as well. So then have a great day. Bye.